Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to track the status of your customer support ticket on Bright. If you submitted a help request and want to know exactly what's happening, well, here's how to track the status of your customer support ticket on Bright. Start by opening the Bright app and logging into your account. And once you're logged in with your credentials, tap your profile icon. And then go to Help and Support and then tap on My Support Tickets. Here you're going to see a list of all the tickets that you've submitted, with each with a status like open, in progress, awaiting response, or resolved. Tap on any ticket to view the full message thread. You're going to see replies from Bright support, as well as any follow-up steps, as well as your own submitted details. If support needs more info, you can reply directly within the app to keep the conversation going. Once resolved, the ticket will automatically move to closed, but you can always revisit it for future reference. Quick, organized, and transparent. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, subscribe for more Bright walkthroughs made simple. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.